Hey, my money making friend, I have a great one for you all today. And the best way to start this off is with a question. By chance, have you heard of the profit first method? Well, the profit first method is a revolutionary way to think about the money that comes into your business. And so with the profit first method, you first take out profits before you take out any expenses at all. And so to give a great example of this, let's say your business brings in $5,000 of revenue in the month of October. You say that you want to take home a profit of $3,000. And now it's up to you to decide, how are you going to make sure your expenses are less than $2,000? And so this philosophy flips the normal equation on its head. And so businesses that practice the profit first philosophy think about new ways to make their money go further and minimize expenses. What can you do with less and still reach your profit goals? And the reason why I'm talking about profit first is that the man that came up with this philosophy has partnered up with Relay to give $100,000 to small business owners just like you. And so what's great about this grant is that no matter what type of business you have, whether you're an LLC, a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation, you can apply for this grant opportunity. And what's even better is that this is life-changing money. This is growing and scaling your business to new heights because you have the necessary money to truly invest back into the business. And so this grant opportunity has been broken down into two contests. With the first contest, and the grant amount is $500. With the second contest, where the real money is, there's going to be 3 grant winners. First place will win $50,000 in grant money. Second place will win $15,000, and third place will win $10,000. And as you see, with this large amount of money, this is a great opportunity for any business owner. And so when it comes to the big money and winning the large grant amounts, you do have to fill out a grant application. And so I'm going to walk you through that in just a moment. But I do want to let you know that I have some special gifts just for you. And so the first gift for you is a free How to Start an LLC ebook that'll walk you through the best way to form an LLC. In addition, I have a comprehensive grant list and tracker that'll help you keep track of all of your grants and send you email, text, and desktop alerts so that you never miss a grant deadline again. And with all of those resources, there should be nothing stopping you from starting and growing your business. You can do this. And so here we are on the Relay website. It's broken down into 2 sections. First, it talks about the grand prize winnings, and then it goes into the lucky draw contest. I'm first going to talk about this contest because more people can win. And so whether you're going home with $500 or $50,000, I want you to know that you are still a winner. And with the lucky draw, you have even a greater chance of winning because 500 people are going to take home a grant. And so when it comes to lucky draw, you're trying to get the most number of tickets as possible. And so there's a couple of things that you can do in order to get tickets. First off, you can get a ticket just by entering in the contest. Secondly, you can get 5 more tickets by sharing on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn why you as a business owner focus on being profitable. And so you need to use the hashtag reasons to be profitable and tag Bank with Relay. In addition, you can win 5 more tickets if you open a Relay account. And what's really great about Relay is that they are a banking and money management system that offers you a ton of flexibility. You can open up to 20 checking accounts and issue out up to 50 debit cards and get up to 3% interest on the money sitting in your account. And so considering all of these features that Relay offers, it is by far one of the best online bank accounts for business owners. And so by entering into the lucky draw, you have the chance to get $500 plus all of these benefits. And so now moving on to the big money, we have a detailed list of what's included in each of the prizes. And so just to cover the grand prize real quick, you get $50,000 in cash, 1 year in the Legacy League, to have Mike Malkowitz as your mentor. And mind you, he created the book Profit First, which has sold hundreds of thousands of copies. And so by getting access to him, it's going to completely change your business. And so the deadline to apply for this grant is November 12th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so it's very important for you to plan out the time that you believe the grant application will take in order for you to complete it. And with AI's help, completing grant applications has never been easier. And so the judges that will be reviewing your grant application are Mike Malkowitz, Lisa Carmen Wang, Elaine Polfett, Ron Sharayan, and Brian Thompson. And so it's key to read up on these judges and really get into the heart of what they care about, as well as reviewing the application grading criteria. And what's great about this grant is that the judges will be grading your grant application blind. They won't know any personally identifiable information about you, like your name, your race, your nationality, your age, or your gender. They're truly going to focus on your story. And so they're going to grade each submission on the following categories: storytelling, impact, grit, innovation, your financial journey, and reasons to be profitable. And so if you make sure to touch on each one of these aspects in your application, it gives you a much better chance of taking home the grant money. And so if you have any questions at all, make sure to reach out to profitclub@relayfi.com. You will find out whether or not you run the grant in December. And so if you do win, make sure to comment below and let me know that you won this grant, because I want to celebrate with you. And so the way that you apply is you're going to click the button Enter Today. You're going to fill out your name as well as your business information and then click Next. It's going to take you to this page. It says, please select the option that best describes you. Are you the owner of a U.S. registered business? And then it's going to ask you, are you only entering in the lucky draw, or are you also entering into the grant contest? If you select, I'm only interested in entering the lucky draw contest, then you're going to click submit, and that's it. If you want to apply to both, you're going to say continue to the grand prize. Continuing to the grand prize, it's going to ask us to fill out a series of 7 questions, a maximum of 300 words each. And so you have some options. You can fill out these 7 grant questions yourself, or you can use AI to help you. I would personally recommend option 2. And so ChatGPT can help you in a lot of different ways. One option is to have ChatGPT do the writing for you. And then option 2 is to ask ChatGPT to act as a grant judge and rate your writing best out of 10 and how it met each of those requirements mentioned earlier. And so ChatGPT can let you know if there's any gaps in your writing and if you did not clearly address the question or correctly implement one of the grading criteria. For example, ChatGPT will let you know if you need to include more storytelling in your response. And so once you answer these 7 questions, you're going to hit submit and your grant application will be sent to the judges for review. I would recommend watching your inbox so that you don't miss any emails from Relay, especially if you're one of the winners. Go claim that free money as quick as you can. Now that you know where to get all of this free money, you have to check out this video right here that's going to help you fill out your entire grant application with the help of AI.